Hey there, Greymains. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Witch of Humility in Crimson Desert. Now, my location on the map right now is just to the north of Demonis right here, or over to the east of Pyloon. Just hover your mouse over to the P on Pyloon and just go to the right, or just over to the D of Demonis and then go straight up. But if you want a better landmark, try to look over the Deadfire Mountain right here and then immediately go to the west. And then you're going to find the Witch of Humility right here. Once you see a broken bridge right here, there is someone dangling over to the edge. Make sure to help them to start the quest to find the witch. And then once that man disappears, go over to your journal, go over to faction quest, hover over the witch right here, and you should see the Witch of Humility right here. Go and meet Laecilia the witch, and then make sure to mark it on your map. Now granted, she is very far away from where you were. For example, you're pretty much over here, and she's settled down all the way over here, right next to the Serpent Marsh. So I'm gonna make my way over there, so I'm gonna skip ahead. Alright, now on this exact spot right here, there is an Abyss Nexus that you can collect to have better access to find Laecilia. Now this is a little bit difficult to find, but as long as you take a look at your minimap, you should be able to find the central area of where the Abyss Nexus is. Because this area is pretty demanding when it comes to stamina, so do be cautious when trying to get to this location. Now once you find the Abyss Nexus here, immediately drop down from here. Go to this spot, and then immediately to the left you should find an entrance to the witch's house. And here you'll find Laecilia the witch. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the Witch of Humility in Crimson Desert.
I hope the road has been kind to you.